Welcome. If you've ever wanted to showcase your family connections on Facebook, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to add your father to your family members on your Facebook page using the latest update on your PC. Let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and head over to Facebook. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Go ahead and click on it. Now that you're on your profile page, look for the About section. This is usually found in the menu below your cover photo. Click on About to access all the details about you. Next, scroll down or look to the left side menu for the section called Family and Relationships. Click on this section to manage your family connections. Here, you'll see an option that says Add Family Member. Click on it, and a new window will pop up where you can enter the details of your family member. Start typing your father's name in the search box. As you type, Facebook will suggest profiles that match. Select the correct profile from the list. Now, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Relationship. Click on it, and from the list of options, choose Father. Double-check to make sure everything looks right. Once you're satisfied, click the Save button. That's it. Your father will now appear as a family member on your Facebook page, and he'll receive a notification about the update. Adding family members on Facebook is a great way to stay connected and let your friends know more about your loved ones. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.